Welcome back, folks. Jim here. Well, we've been doing some work up here at the camp, and I'll walk around and try to show you some. You can see that we've got the Gabriel portion of the roofing insulated. Excuse me, insulated. See if I can get a better picture here. And I've got lights located up in the ceiling. We've also run ample amount of outlets around the perimeter. And I've got 2 locations for ceiling fans. This is looking up into one of the loft bedrooms. I'll be running wires probably today, and my hope is that within, perhaps a month, I'll have the underground service in and be able to complete most of the electrical. And you can see we still got a lot of plumbing to do, but all in due time. I'm not sure how this is going to come out because, excuse me, the sun is shining pretty bright in here. But I did want to give you just a quick update. As I energize these systems, I'll come back and show you more. Alright folks, so it's starting to come together. Still quite a mess and disorganized, but we're starting to do a lot of the wiring. I think that's where I left off. And you can see we got a lot of the outlets in already. All over the place. Lights in the ceiling. And we've made provision for the fan to come down through. This here's the master bedroom. Will be. The box, looking squirrely, because I haven't run any of the wires other than get them into the box. Utility room, same thing. Lights, washer. As soon as we get the electrical run, then we'll start doing the plumbing. Lights, provision for a fan. Kitchen, we're starting to run all the wires. You can see the yellow wires up across the top over the window. One comes down to the dishwasher, one comes down the refrigerator. The 2 travelers go over to this lady here. Look at her busy. She thinks she ought to get more money too. I don't know. But she does an awesome job.
Working me to death.
So anyway, I think, you know, you got to give electricians a lot of credit. That's a lot of work. I think it's more work than plumbing, tell you the truth.
Well, we'll see when we get the plumbing.
But we've got lights connected, some of them temporary. This is a hall light, and it's dimmable, so that if we left it on at night or something. And then eventually there'll be a bar coming out from this wall, and that's what those lights up here are. Be over the bar. And then Linda wanted a light for over the sink. All of those are dimmable. Same in the bedroom. We've We've got lights in the closet. You can see this little light. Got another light in her closet down there. We've already hooked up 3-way so that when we finish insulating, we'll be able to take care of these. Now this switch, like I said, it's a 3-way for the stairs. You can see that turns it on. And then you can turn it off from here or on from here. 3-way. And this is will be one of the bedrooms upstairs. Half bath, fans in each room, and then kind of a kid's room here, little bunkhouse type thing. So yeah, she's coming along. Coming along. We've still got to do the insulating up here. We've got the cathedral part insulated, but we still have to do the rest here.
And put up the vapor barrier.
And the vapor barrier. Yeah. So, that's the update for inside. Sorry, there hasn't been anything outside. I haven't even got the tractor up here yet. But when I do get the tractor up here, I'm going to run underground from about where her red car is out the window all the way up to here. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. I'm not sure how long a video this is going to turn out to be, but, you know, like we always say, like and subscribe. I'm sorry, like I said, we haven't done more videos yet, but... Okay, bye for now. We love you. Linda?
God bless you guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.